Hello guys, welcome back to George Basics. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to buy Beercoin. If you check the Beercoin listings, you will see that there are several tier 1 CXs, but I think that BitGet is the best place to buy Beercoin, and I will tell you why. If you guys don't have a BitGet account, you can use my affiliate link, which is in the description. You can sign up on BitGet and you can get $10 trading bonus if you trade more than $50, guys. So why BitGet? Because there are lowest fees on deposits. You can deposit money on BitGet with the lowest fees and you can start trading very easily. To buy Beercoin, first of all, sign up on BitGet. The link is in the description. Go through KYC. It will take just 1 or 2 minutes. And once you are done, then deposit money on BitGet. To deposit money, you need to go to buy crypto. You can use your credit or debit card, or you can use third-party payment providers. So it's up to you guys, but you can see that credit or debit card has got 0 fees. You can use your credit card. And once you will deposit a USDT on your account, then go to trade, go to spot trading. On the left side, you will see this BTC/USDT, and you need to type in the search Beer, and here is Beercoin, guys. You need to click it and you need to enter the amount of USDT you're going to pay to buy Beercoin and then click the buy button. It's super simple, guys. In a few seconds you can check your wallet, go to your assets, then spot account, and there you will see your Beercoin. That's all I wanted to tell you. This is not financial advice. Don't forget to click the like button. See you in the next update.